Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple tasks on Asana. If you've been managing projects and need to clean up your workspace by removing several completed or outdated tasks at once, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do that efficiently without having to delete each task one by one. First, navigate to the left sidebar of your Asana interface and click on either Projects or My Tasks, depending on where your tasks are located. This will give you access to all your current projects and task lists. Once you're in this view, open the specific project or task list that contains the tasks you want to delete. Make sure you're viewing the right list before proceeding, as this will save you time and help you stay organized. Now comes the selection process. Click on the leftmost side of any task you want to delete. This is important because clicking there selects the task without opening its details pane, which would otherwise pop up and interrupt your workflow. You'll notice the task becomes highlighted, indicating it's been selected. This method keeps everything streamlined and allows you to work quickly. Next, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While keeping this key pressed, click on the leftmost side of other tasks you want to delete, using the same procedure as before. You can select as many tasks as you need by continuing to hold Control and clicking each one. This multi-select feature is what makes batch deletion possible and saves you considerable time when cleaning up your task lists. Once you've selected all the tasks you want to remove, look at the bottom of your screen. A toolbar will automatically appear whenever you have tasks selected. This toolbar contains several action options for managing your selected tasks. In this toolbar, you'll see a trash can icon labeled Delete. Click on this icon to delete all your selected tasks at once. Asana will remove them immediately without asking for confirmation, so make sure you've selected the correct tasks before clicking. And that's it. You've now cleared multiple tasks from your Asana workspace in just a few clicks, making your project management much cleaner and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.